Okay, the next question. Famous Secret Service agent's been the central character for more than 25 movies. James Bond, 00 blank.
008.
Okay. And a dozen. How many in a dozen?
12.
12. What's half of a dozen?
5.
Give Kyle a wonderful round of applause.
My name.
Keep your hand on my hand. Push. Harder. Harder. Sleep now. Loosen up and relax. Here you go. Sleep now. Loosen up and relax. Everybody, deep breath. Sleep now. Loosen up and relax. That's right. Give our volunteers a thunder. I think maybe we got time for one more quick one. I want to give you guys your money's worth, right? We're going to give you one last parting gift. It's a new phone. Everybody gets a brand new phone. That's right. There's just one thing. It's a secret spy phone. It's located in your left shoe. That's right. If you hear the phone ring, be sure you answer. It's probably your parents want to know where you are at. Really late getting home. That's right. Count of 3, I'm going to ask you to sit up, open your eyes. 1, in that chair. 2, sitting all the way up in that chair. Very good. 3, eyes open. Give our volunteers one more thunderous round of applause. And before we go on to the message at hand, and really what I like doing about these hypnosis shows is showing just how amazing and creative people can be naturally. There's a lot of wonderful things that can be... Okay, one at a time, guys. Everybody be quiet for a second. Who's calling you? You all right? Everybody put your phones or your shoes back where they belong, please. Sleep now, loose lip, and relax. That's right, all the way down. Just the person on... Oh, wait. Wasn't even done. That sits you back here. You're perfectly comfortable. In a moment, I'm going to count to 5. When I count to 5, you're going to find yourself wide awake, refreshed, and receptive to the message at hand. In fact, you're going to be very receptive and respectful to the message at hand. 1, taking a deep breath. 2, sitting back in that chair, all the way back in that chair. 3, feeling that energy surging through your body. You're perfectly fine where you're at. Getting even closer. 4, almost there. Almost ready to receive one last thunderous round of applause. 5, wide awake. Give it up for our volunteers. Come on, louder than that. They deserve it. Okay, I'm actually going to leave you volunteers up here for just a few minutes because I might come back to you if I have time. And I do appreciate everybody volunteering. You feeling pretty good, man? You feeling pretty good? Okay.